A bit, but coming here, breaking on the live report, Mulayam Singh Yadav has launched yet another attack on Amit Shah, saying he's been sent to Uttar Pradesh to polarize. Pranshu Mishra joining us live on this story. Pranshu, he attacked him earlier in the day, and once again comes a scathing attack from Mulayam Singh.
Yes, that's right. In fact, Mulayam Singh was addressing this public rally in Aligarh, where he clearly made certain comments which clearly will draw an eye from the BJP, will clearly raise objection from the BJP quarters. He, while describing his visit to Gujarat post-riots in 2002, went on to say that Amit Shah had been the same man whose hands are soaked in the blood of the...
Now, despite the poor audio, Pranshu, we were able to catch that attempt once again to polarize and create a fear psychosis around Amit Shah. The Samajwadi Party saying Amit Shah was sent to Uttar Pradesh to polarize, but what is the Samajwadi Party itself doing? Azam Khan the other day called him a gunda and also Dafa 302 and so many other comments. Today, Mulayam Singh again calls him, says he's been sent here to polarize, and Akhilesh Yadav is the one who's moved to for cancellation of bail on all the riot accused. 48 hours, 2 days before Western UP goes to polls.
Yes, that's right, Anand. It seems that there is this deliberate attempt on both the sides to somehow polarize these elections. Remember, on the face value, these leaders talk about developmental agenda, but on the ground, when they go amidst their voter, they are clearly resorting to communal rhetoric. That's what we have seen when Amit Shah made certain statements in Bijnor and Shamli, for which we all know that FIR has been registered against them. We saw similar exercise being taken in hand by Beni Prasad Verma, against whom also the Election Commission has now registered an FIR this afternoon. Even Mulayam Singh and other leaders have indulged into the same fact, but the latest coming in, of course, is from the state government, which has selectively chosen to apply for bail cancellation petition against at least 50 of the accused people in the Allahabad High Court. And now remember, there is not exact clarification coming in from the government quarters, but what we have got to know from our sources is that this list also includes key political figures like Bhartendu Singh and Suresh Rana and others, senior leaders of the BJP, who are quite active as far as the electoral politics in Western Uttar Pradesh is concerned. And when this news is being passed on to the media, so clearly there is possibility and thinking within the Samajwadi Party quarters that if this news goes out, there can be a last-ditch effort for a sharp communal divide in the western parts of Uttar Pradesh.